Before taking liner off tape and trying to install, go ahead and do a dry fit to ensure proper installation with no incorrect sizes or issues. Get grills with tape still applied and place them on the glass to ensure that the SDL grill fits properly. While doing this, grab the business card. This is about the gap of 15,000 that you will need to make sure the grills are not too snug or far apart. Place the business card on the end of the grill between the sash and grill. A little wiggle room is a good thing. Once this is complete, disassemble your grill, place the pieces aside, and move on to the application process. First, grab the SDL bars you will be applying. Take the vertical bar first and place it on the window. Move the bar to one side and take your pencil and mark lightly on the frame where your notches are on the grills. Repeat this process for the other side of the window. You can now do the same thing for the horizontal pieces. This step is vital to ensure that your alignments will be correct. Then go ahead and do another dry fit with your bars in place. Then grab your isopropyl alcohol and water mixture. You can use any of these mixtures of isopropyl alcohol and water when wiping down your window, but we recommend using the 50 by 50 mixture when installing grills. Spray generously on the glass and take a lint-free cloth and wipe the entire window down. Then take your adhesion promoter, find where you marked your grills, and using the adhesion wipe, wipe down where the grill will approximately be. Take out your SDL bar and assemble it on the window. Next, take out the application blocks and place them in each of the joints of the grills, like you see here. Flip the grill onto the back side, where the tape liner is. Make sure that the grill is pushed down to fit inside the blocks, leaving enough room so that the tape will hover above the glass and not stick to it. When you have everything pressed down, go ahead and remove the liner off of the grill. Once the liner is removed, get out your zip ties. Place your zip ties towards the end of the legs of the grill. Later on in the process, we will use this to make sure our alignment is correct. Once all the liner is off and zip ties are placed properly, go ahead and turn over your grill so that the sticky part is now facing down. Move around the grill as needed to align with the marks you created. Then, starting with the zip ties at each end, start removing the tie and pushing down the bars in place. Keep in mind the alignment marks you made as well as where the adhesion promoter was placed, and start taking down the legs of the grill. If you need to pop up and replace the SDL to get a better alignment, you can do so at this moment, but please be careful not to touch the tape and do not do this more than once. Once your legs are down, go ahead to the middle of the application blocks, and with your finger on the top of the grills, go ahead and simply push on the center of the blocks to allow the grills to apply to the glass. Take a final look at the alignment. If everything is good, go ahead and get out the J-roller, and with some pressure, roll over all parts of the grill to ensure that it wets out on the glass. After this, get your isopropyl alcohol back out, and where you see the slight haze made from the adhesion promoter, go ahead and spray the window down and wipe off the excess residue. If possible, take a look at the reverse side and do a check if the tape has wet out. If not, apply the J-roller again for a better application. Relax and celebrate. Your grill is now applied.